Welcome to Saisha Spectrum. In today's lecture, we are going to see about a database view. In the last lecture, we have seen about the joints and different types of joints. So what is meant by database view? Basically, database view is created on two or more than two tables using an inner join method. So as a inner join method is used in a database view, so it only contains or selects the matching records between the tables, and database view is created on a standard table and it can contain or include an entire table. All the records and all the values from the table can be included into a database view, and also in the database view we can only read the data and we cannot do any maintenance into these tables. Let us see the steps to create a database table. Let us consider a situation like we want to create a database table view on two tables like Mara and MAKT, and we have fields of Mara like MATNR, MTART, MBRSH and MEINS, whereas in MAKT fields are SPRAS, MAKTX. So very first go to SE11 Tcode, select the view and give it a view name. Thereafter click on a create button. We will get this type of screen which will ask us to choose view type. There whichever view we want to create, that is database view we are creating, click on the database view and click on the copy button. Then thereafter we will get maintenance view page where we need to click on the join condition. After clicking on the join condition, provide the table names like Mara and MAKT, and thereafter provide the join conditions like we have provided here. After that, click on the view field. View field in the sense, this is a view field. Here we have view field. Here we have view field. Click on this view field and then click on the table fields button and provide all the fields of a Mara table by double clicking on a Mara like MATNR, MTART and all the both remaining fields. Similarly, follow the step for MAKT table and then go to the selection condition tab and provide the condition. Thereafter save, check and activate the table and click on the content icon. Provide the content and click on execution button. Our database table view will get generated. These are the very easy steps to create a database view and to join two tables, two standard tables. In the next lecture, we are going to see the projection view in SAP ABAP.